In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set different wallpaper on lock screen and home screen on your iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the wallpaper here. You have to tap on it. Now from here, you can see there is an option called add new wallpaper. So you have to tap on this. And you have to select the image that you wanted to add. For example, I'm going to add any of these. I'm going to add this one. And as you can see right now, it is added. And also what you need to do is if you wanted to set this up, you can set this up and you can add, just tap on add. Now over here, as you can see, we have two options. Either you have to keep it for the both, that is set as wallpaper pair, or you can just go over here in order if you wanted to change or customize the home screen, just go over here, tap on it. And right now that's going to take you to this, and from here you can change any kind of things, and if you wanted to change the colors, you can just make any kind of customization. So I'll keep to this. And now from here, what you need to do is after making all the customization that you need, you just need to go over here, go for done. And right now what happens is my lock screen will be this and my home screen will be this if I go back. And right now, as you can see, it is changed, and if I lock my phone, as you can see, the screen is different. And even if I unlock the phone and if I go over here inside the home screen, you can see it is completely like this. And this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.